This is the procedure for cleaning the main seal ring. Heat the tip of the packing remover and melt off the packing like this. Take care not to damage the main seal ring grooves. Before mounting the main seal ring, clean the grooves thoroughly. Align the main seal ring with the grooves and gently insert it into the grooves. Use a wooden panel or the like to ensure that the main seal ring is fully driven in and mounted. Do not strike the main seal ring directly with a plastic hammer or the like, as this can damage the main seal ring, causing a defective seal. This completes the mounting of the main seal ring. Disassembly of the bowl is now complete, except for the drain nozzles.